Welcome to my channel, Atlas Diaries. Hi guys, if you're new to my channel, just please like and subscribe. Thank you. Just keep on watching, guys. Our adventure for this time is we're going to falls. It's Bolinao Falls number 3. They have a 1, 2, 3 falls. Falls number 3 because they said it's right.
Hi guys, andito kami sa Bolinao Falls. Okay, Bolinao Falls number 3. Check natin. Sila maliligo sila. Iba maliligo. So, ito yung sinasabi ni Mike. O meron kang hagdan-hagdan doon. Ito lang? Ito pa yung falls. Ito na ang Bolinao Falls number 3, guys. Is malinaw yung tubig. Oh, Bolinao Falls.
Falls number 3 is it's recommended for kids. So who have kids there and want to swim, it's good for them. This falls number 3. So enjoy and have fun and bring foodies with you guys because they have cottages for rent. It's around 300 per cottage. So, and also for the swimmers, the beginners, for the kids, they have a life jacket for rent for around 50 pesos. Okay, so enjoy and have fun. Thank you for watching, guys. Just keep on watching, by the way.